Hey everyone, welcome back. I hope you guys had a wonderful Christmas. We actually just finished having ours at both Caitlin's parents' place as well as my parents' place. And over the year, I've kind of been toying with the idea of getting this, what do you call it? Not really a modification, just an extra accessory for the Stagea. I've been always hassling Caitlin about asking her, can I get it now? How about now? How about now? And she was always telling me to wait until it was on sale. And so finally the time came for Christmas, and it was a great opportunity for us to get it. So part one of the accessory, crossbars. I've been doing some research and asking around of which ones would be best suited for the car. I found some were a little too high, some were too low, and some of the grips weren't really that good and couldn't hold that much weight. A couple people suggested the Stagea ones, and they'd be great, but on the other hand, I think they were like $230 or something around there. Where another friend of mine suggested this set from Amazon actually. And he's always had them on his, and they've held up pretty well actually. And he does a lot of camping as well, so that's a plus. And now for the second part, the cargo carrier. I've always told Caitlin that I know we don't really do much camping, but it's something that eventually I would like to do, and figured for extra space, get one, either a closed box or an open box. Figured for now, probably the open box, because this was only actually $90 on sale from Princess Auto, where the closed ones, I've only really heard of Thule and I think Yakima, and those are like $600-700. So for now, this is good. And I can look like all the other station wagon drivers. And yeah, overall, I haven't installed it yet, but overall, I'm pretty impressed with the quality. It feels pretty durable and heavy duty. The only difference is, now I'm not even going to show you that, that's too heavy to bring around. Well, maybe if I don't knock down things. If you can kind of see inside there, it's got the Power Fist logo. I just turned it inside out just to make it more a cleaner and sleeker look, so it's just all black. And yeah, so why don't we go ahead on installing it